I have a guest reviewing a fiction. I have here a tough squash and a bag full of spinach. I'm happy I have this pork belly and some ingredients for stir fry. Join me and find out what I'm going to cook for my guest. You're watching the cooking series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Hello, good evening to you. Welcome to our small kitchen. Romilo here. We are having here, if you hear the background, a book review. They're talking about murder series. Well, I promised to cook something for them. So, what are we cooking? I'll be cooking something from the garden. We weren't able to cook at the garden today because of the weather. I'll be cooking pumpkin or calabasa with coconut milk and spinach, before I forget. And this are our harvest today. We'll be using this spinach that we've harvested for this recipe. The ingredients are of course, squash, and we also have this classic sofrito, as I always refer to them, garlic, the onions, and thumb-size ginger. Also from the garden, I will be adding this meager harvest of bichuelas or beans. And I've earlier cooked this. This is pork liempo or pork belly. Let's start cooking. There's not much oil, so I'm adding oil to the liempo or to the pork belly. I think I forgot to mention about the patis, and this is our cucumber salad, Filipino style, just with vinegar, pepper, or salt and pepper, and some sugar. Really good. I'll be adding all this at the same time. More oil. Yeah. I'm rushing. I don't want to do this. Well, the discussion is happening at the other room. We'll wash this spinach while waiting for the stir fry to caramelize. You've never seen this before. Leaving the stir fry. We can. This is usually done with calabasa, with coconut oil and malunggay. But this is a perfect replacement for malunggay, with spinach. I'll get the strainer. I'm washing this just once. Imagine big spinach. I'll put this squash now, or pumpkin. I did not peel it. It was very difficult. I gave up. Let's just slice this. Roughly. I should have used a chopping board, but this works. If you're wondering what's this, my camera girl, my Ate Grace here is crazy over the mussels that we just cooked. So she did it here. She wanted to duplicate what she saw on YouTube.
Yes.
By the way, you can see this video just under. I think it was posted 2 weeks ago. By the way, while stir frying this, I'd like to say thank you to Jackie of Madrid. I forgot to say thank you to her in our earlier episode. That's why. I watered down the stir-fried pork here, stir-fried Indian pork. And to get all the goodness, that's what I did. I used the water. I forgot to mention about this too. Patis or fish sauce and coconut milk. While waiting for that to boil, we can now slice this. If you notice, I'm now facing this side. This is our newest acquisition. This is actually the inaugural episode of this small table that I bought. Just to allow me to face the camera, because without this I will be stir frying and looking aside always. Stir frying and looking aside. Now I can just look up so I can face the camera at the same time, just back a bit and stir. But still, yeah. We will try also configuring this with that on the front later. You will also notice that I turn this a bit. So that's how the new studio layout of Channel 1. I think we can all this now. Calabasa or squash usually cooks longer, but I don't know, if it's wet summer, they can be tender than usual. And we can add this now, why not? The Thais would use this or would add the coconut milk twice first and then top it up again before serving to maintain that whitish cream. Just, I think the first is for the cream and the second for aesthetics. If you notice, I purposely used the blue casserole.
It's also blue.
I'm also wearing my blue shirt. It was a giveaway. This is not intended for promotion, but it was a giveaway.
Oh, really? No.
I love the blue. Brown skin looks good on blue or with blue. I think we are ready to add the spinach now. This has been boiling for I think more than 10 minutes. So we'll add the spinach. It looks lots, but it will shrink. Yeah, I think it's
Too much.
too much.
It's enough.
Okay, it's enough. We don't want to overwhelm the taste. Huh?
zal niet drijfveer zijn eigenlijk. Ja, dat is interessant, maar dan doe ik het wel eigenlijk.
Die heeft veel melkpipet natuurlijk. Dat is wel
Dat zal wel.
dat stimuleert. Hè.
We'll cover it. Let's do this. Let's just allow the steam to do its job. Let's check out our dish.
Zo had ik vanochtend op televisie Discovery,
Isn't that heavenly?
de serie over
Calabasa or
calabasa
calabasa or pumpkin with spinach and coconut.
Die glas die al halverwege afgebroken worden.
Thank you for joining your kuya today, and thank you for having Grace for operating the camera today. Join me again as we bring you more dishes from the homeland and as we explore more easy recipes from the African. Until next time. Bye-bye.